This 2026 East to West Ahara 395FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a Barrington Maple interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.